Folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you an Arctic Fox built by Northwood up in La Grande, Oregon. It's a model 29.5T. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features inside. As we enter in, I want you to notice these steps. They're sure steps. They're very solid when you go in, and the handle is very accessible. Makes entry very nice. The 29.5T is a rear lounge. You've got two nice recliner chairs, Thomas Paine, and two nice reclining chairs over here in your theater seating. It's got dual pane windows, and I want you to notice these dual pane windows. A lot of RVs anymore, you find that they don't open right up and give you lots of room. The whole window slides open, which is, I'm not going to get back here and slide open, but gives you great ventilation. You've got storage above your theater seating, nice table and chairs. There's storage inside the table. There's storage underneath each one of the chair cushions. It's got a nice TV with a DVD player and AM/FM tuner. It's got a small trickle charger for solar. It's got the electric fireplace, which will heat up this whole downside coach area very comfortably on a cool evening. It's got the large convection microwave oven, 3-burner gas grill top, and a nice gas oven. All the wood in this is solid. There is absolutely no particle board used in building Arctic Fox product. We've been very proud to sell this product over the years. And very well insulated coach. It's got solid counter surfaces with a huge deep stainless steel sink. This is a little place here to open up your trash cans underneath, and you just drop your trash in there. It's got the nice 18 cubic foot Northwood adjustable temperature refrigerator and freezer. Solid door that closes off in between your bathroom and your bedroom. It's got the nice walk-in shower with the seat, skylight above it. You've got a separate water closet, which is really nice. Of course, porcelain toilet paper roll holder, which is unusual to find in an RV. It's got the nice sink with the lighted makeup mirror, nice vanity, and even linen storage above with a fantastic fan above the in the bathroom, and another fantastic fan in the bedroom. It's all pre-wired for a TV. It's got a nice set of Chester drawers here. A nice cedar lined closet. And it also is available to, it's already set up for a washer and dryer combination to be put in it. Nice bench here in front of the windows. There's some storage underneath of it. King size bed with windows for cross ventilation on both sides. The fan is a rain sensor fan in the bedroom and in the living room. Storage underneath the bed. All your lights are LED. Very, very nice coach. Let's go outside to the exterior and take a look. This coach is equipped with a 6-point electronic level up system on it. Has Goodyear tires that are actually Goodyear tires built here in the United States. This is just an access panel to your plumbing. Everything's very easy to get. Your doors are held up with a magnet, so you don't have the clips to worry about. I don't know if I mentioned, but it does have a full electric awning. pre-wired to have a TV put out here. This is a nice heated, insulated compartment for underbelly storage. Your propane cylinders are the large ones, and they're located in one side for easy filling. It makes it so much easier if they're in one location. Comes equipped with a MORryte hitch pin. This is all set up. If you wanted to put a generator in it, you definitely could. Or you have additional storage. There we go. Let's walk over here to the other side. Has a compartment here. Batteries are on slide out trays for easy maintenance. They'll be installed at the time of delivery. It's ready for a little additional solar panel if you want to add one to it. You've got your one-touch control panel for your level up system is right here. Your battery disconnect, your winterized valve, your water bypass, your outside shower, your black water flush, everything located right here. This is really nice. It's got the power cord reel, the 50 amp cords, and this is a 50 amp service, or hard to drag around, so it's on an electric reel, makes it very convenient. It's got the 16-gallon hot water tank. You don't run out of hot water. All dual pane windows. All LED lights on your exterior. Comes equipped with a ladder for access to maintain your roof. Folks, I've sold this product for probably 15 years. I'm very proud to sell it. It is a great product. We have other floor plans available. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Look forward to hearing from you.